Hey everyone, in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to download and import your digital journal using the Samsung Notes app on your Windows PC. So let's get started. First, open your Samsung Notes app, then tap on Import PDF. Locate the file in your Downloads folder. So this is the PDF that you received after purchasing. And once it opens, tap on Reading Mode to activate the hyperlinks. So this lets you click on tabs and text within the journal. From here, choose the journal version that you would like to use. Then simply tap on the image of the journal and it will open or direct you to the Google Drive. From here, tap the download icon to begin downloading. So this might take a few minutes, so please be patient. On the upper right corner, you will see the download in progress. And once the file finishes downloading, go back to Samsung Notes app, then tap again on Import PDF. Locate your newly downloaded file and tap Open. By default, Samsung view is vertical view, so let's optimize this view. Simply tap on Note Style and switch from vertical to horizontal view for a better journaling experience. One last step is to make sure that the reading mode is turned on so you can navigate your journal easily using the interactive tabs. And that's it, you did it. You're all set to begin your digital journaling journey, and I will see you in the next video.